What's going on, guys? Back with a new video, and today we are
late for a
oh yeah, Connor's back from Australia. Welcome back, Connor.
Well, thanks.
Not one person missed you, but anyway, we are back, and Connor decided, since you have to come the whole way back from Australia, that he wants a Jeep because he's been in Australia. That's what people do over there, they get Jeeps. So anyway, couldn't buy one in Ireland because it's him. Decided he wanted to go to England, booked a last minute flight, calculated up the times a small bit off for when we left the house, and we are, what, turn on your thing, how far are we away? Right, I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, it says
we have like half an hour to spare in the airport before our flight, so yeah.
So we are stuck. Any of you watching this that's from Ireland knows what traffic is like coming into Dublin, and we are bang smack in the middle of it, going about 3 kilometers an hour, and it's just absolutely atrocious. So we need to try and make it to the airport, run through the airport from start to finish, and apparently Ryanair, all Ryanair's flights are at the very back of the airport, so hopefully we make it and we can continue the rest of this video. If not, we're going to stop on probably the next part of the video. That's how far we're going to get. So just an update, we're still in the car park. We now have 26 minutes to spare when we get, well, it says 26 minutes spare. We're after losing 5 minutes, and we're still 41 minutes away, so I can't add all that up, but it doesn't sound great to me. Anyway, and Connor is the biggest panicker in the whole world. That man is having absolute palpitations right now. He doesn't even want to talk. Breakdown M50.
I'm gonna have a fucking, there's gonna be a breakdown on whatever the fuck this road is now in a minute.
There's going to be a mental breakdown.
Yeah. It's alright, we're cut in here now.
Yeah. Watch, we're going to be on our flight in 3, 2. It's not working. Anyway, check out this truck. I bet you he's not going to miss his flight.
Right, gaining in it. We're fucking flying.
So we're out of standstill traffic, and we're down to 20 minutes now to get through security, checked in, the whole lot. We're still feeling hopeful.
Are we?
We're gonna get there.
So, update this time. We're after, I was about to say we made up 22 minutes, but we made 20 minutes. We're back up again.
We have 22 minutes until the gate closes.
Yeah, we have 22 minutes, and I think we are, what, 5 minutes away, are we?
5 minutes.
We're 5 minutes away. 20, yeah, that's right, I'm not good with numbers, but anyway,
No, 17.
yeah. Connor is gonna leg it, and do you know when you're trying to hold the elevator for something, keep your foot in the door. So I asked Connor to run and just do that with the airplane, and I'll just catch up. His legs is too long, there's too many steps per minute, and I won't keep up. We are now just pulling up at the airport, and we still have 22 minutes, and we are going to make it, aren't we?
Yeah.
Man, you can start relaxing now. You can start relaxing, will you? For God's sake.
Drive.
What?
Do you want to drive?
Do I want to drive? Wow, just when we get here. That's
I hope you have
bitch.
your hand on that fucking latch.
My hand is on the fucking bag,
It's
Connor.
Terminal 2, isn't it?
What?
There's no Terminal 2.
Terminal 2 departures. Terminal 1, we're going Terminal 1 skin.
Yeah, right, come on, we're running up there. Right,
It's the same building.
right.
Alright.
You have to go over that building to get into that
Listen,
one.
he's stressing.
Right.
I know, go on.
I'm out. I'm out.
Right, get out.
See ya. Bye, Chad. Come on, will you? Oh. He's actually making me run. Connor, look at the speed up. He's too fast. Just like to say, if anyone sees me running through Dublin Airport, it's Connor's fault. He's making me run. Motherfucker. Can't believe we're not gonna miss the flight. I told you. Watch me, boy. Usain Bolt. Yeah. I always cringe when I see people running through airports, you know, it's like, why didn't they make their flight in time? Look. Fuck me. I'm big. I'm going to have a panic attack. Look at him. God's boy. And his long legs. Oh, God. Can I aim for this? So, they made our flight with
Oh my, I'm at their gain in about fucking 15 years.
We just joined the queue, so we've just made it on time, thank God. Sweating now. God help the people sitting next to us. Now, panic over. We've made it. See? No problem. Now, Connor, you'll be happy you made it.
Yeah. This is the first part of the journey.
Yeah.
This is
Right.
the...
We'll see you on the other side. Right, so we made it.
We're in Japan.
We're
Right
not in Japan. We are in the absolute opposite. We are in Leeds. I think, is it Leeds?
Yeah.
Leeds, Bradford Airport. I mean, Bradford mush. So yeah, we're going to buy something. I've already told you what we're buying, but you haven't seen it yet, so it doesn't matter.
I actually haven't seen it either, so it's alright.
We're just trying to sort out an Uber here, and
Uber is not Ubering right now.
we're not Ubering. Anyway, first indication to I don't mind. What size is this though? No, in fairness, boys, watch the Jeep. Right, Bradford mush buying a Jeep, yo. She's a grand machine. Auto box, all the bits. Extras. Kickback recliners. Seats for everyone. Has all the bells and whistles, as in all fairness. Anyone have an old wind deflector? Get back to us. We'll take it over. Right, now, so considering we nearly missed our plane this morning, we now decided to get the closest ferry we can, which is...
We have exactly
we have
3
about
hours.
Yeah, so it's leaving at 4 o'clock. You have to be there an hour before. So if we leave right this second, we should have been there 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
So it makes sense. And we're going into Greg's. Oh, as I was saying, if I didn't have to drive that Jeep through the ferry terminal, I'd get cans of Sahih with bottles. So we got our Greg's pizza, which is grand. You're taking, not taking the right jet. So anyway, we have 2 hours 57 minutes away, and we're already 17 minutes late. Crazy. Right, so we have just over 2 hours driving done, and to be fair, like for a Jeep that's raised up on 1997, is it?
Yeah.
Like,
And big fuck off wheels on it.
oh, he used the F words. Thanks, Connor.
Alright, okay.
Anyway, no, we won't start again. It's not already after talking. Anyway, yeah, no, it's actually. I was worried that road noise is going to be really loud, and the bearings are going to be making noise, and tires are going to make noise. But I think the tires are just so worn from driving on the road that that noise kind of just can't help them.
Yeah.
So, and we found this little
Contraption.
tuning box. Googled it. 25% more power and torque, and guaranteed 20% save on miles per gallon.
And 2-year engine warranty.
A 5-year warranty on the machine itself, and a lifetime trade-in on it. So, just so you know, if anyone else wants to buy one.
Yeah.
But like, to be fair, I didn't even know it was automatically as buying it, but it is, and it's so smooth on the road. I'll give you a quick look around the outside. As I said, we are really pushing to make this ferry. I think we're going to do it. We're after booking it now anyway, so we kind of have no choice. So we're going to pull in up the road somewhere. Probably grab a little can of Red Bull and a couple of little snacks or something.
Sounds good.
And then make this ferry, and then try blackguard our way through customs, and just hopefully they just don't take the Jeep off us. Because last time I went to the UK for a car, they took it off me, and I had to prove a load of stuff before they give it back. So hopefully we'll get through. So we pulled in to show you the outside of the Jeep, but that didn't really work because we figured that we actually didn't have enough time. But here's a tunnel. I don't know if that makes up for it, but we want to show you. You're just going to have to just stay tuned for another couple of minutes. Another tunnel.
What, you're going to show them the Jeep?
Literally about to in a minute, but I like what you're after doing over here with the mountain. You just
Straight through.
straight through. I love that. Don't go the long way and go around it, just straight through the middle.
Yeah.
That's why I kind of got this Jeep, so you can just go up and over instead of around.
After making a tunnel now, though, I don't need the Jeep.
So we're after making the ferry. We're just getting searched for guessing narcotics. Anyway, got our driver number, so we're pretty much good to go once we go through this search. Right, so we got through the inspection. What One flaw I will say about their system is they checked underneath and they look in the boot, but they never checked for the tuning box in here, did they? We got away with it, lads. Right, so we finally made it onto the ferry. I still haven't shown you around the outside of it yet, but we're making progress. That's the main thing. Promise you, once we land in Ireland, we're going to show you the outside of this Jeep. Tell them we're going to show them.
When we get through customs.
Yeah, when it doesn't get taken off in customs, then we're going to show you. Right, so nearly 3.5 hour journey down. I'm absolutely fucking, not even bollocks, I'm just more, you know, sick of sitting up. And it just, Connor's had this big couch to himself. He's left me with these two little couches things. I know what the fuck they are. Fell asleep there for about half an hour, so I'm not too bad. Connor's absolutely shit himself. I can see his anxiety rising as we pull up to the port because of the customs. So there's the old tow rig pulling up. Probably can't see it, but we're just going into Dublin port now, so we're going to gather our shit, go down, get the Jeep, and hopefully get out of the port. We'll bring you more of an update. Just like to state, I was rocking the blue dash before Connor. Number one, la la la. Things like you see, oh my god. Look at it, in all fairness, lads.
Sweating.
If I was ever going to rob a bank, he's the last person I'd do it. And even though we got drug searched this or that, I definitely wouldn't be doing that kind of a job with him either. Look at him.
Well, I just don't want to get stung for $5 grand.
Don't get stung for $5 grand. We get stung for $5 grand when I robbed this Jeep on him.
Oh shit.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Connor's absolutely melted in the passenger seat.
Oh god. Hopefully they just say that. Thanks. I'll give him 50 quid if he says not. We got through.
Told him we were going to get through.
They literally said not and asked for our passports. Have you anything to declare? No, straight through. No $5 grand fucking VRT here.
Anyone have booking plates, get back to me.
If anyone has a Toyota other booking plates, let us know.
So there you have it. We made it.
Yeah, just about. Well, not just about. I just about made it.
It's not, actually wasn't that bad of a trip. So we left here at 6 o'clock this morning and it is now, what time?
25 past 10?
25 past 10, and we might have stopped off to test the Jeep.
Yeah.
And we thought, what more fitting place to finish off this video than outside our new Toyota garage here in Waterford. And
you can't see a great on camera.
We probably didn't think through the whole light situation, but this is our Toyota Surf that you cannot see. Motherfucker, we're going to fly across this car park. Right, so I found a better place to show you. So anyway, as you can see by the tyre marks, the 4x4 does not work, right? So thinks there's a sensor or something in it, but anyway, just wanted to show you. So she's a nice blue over silver, and to be fair, it actually probably looks really clean on the camera.
Yeah.
Has a lift kit, don't know what size, we actually can't give you much spec because we don't know anything about Jeeps, but this is it, and it's a Surf, so you can use it on the beach and on the grass. Apparently. Anyway, I think Connor is very happy with his new purchase.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah, it's an intercooler model, which is hard enough to find in the Surf, so that's kind of...
Show him what has the bits.
Watch the scoop. And there's actually an intercooler in there. It's not just cooling the rocker cover. There is an intercooler.
Intercooler.
Yeah. But yeah, no, it's got low mileage and it has decent spec. It's not the cleanest, it's not immaculate, but it is a clean Jeep, and I didn't really want something immaculate because you don't want to be trying to mind it and look after it. At least this, you can use it as a Jeep.
Yeah, and in all fairness, right, if that was polished up, I think that colour would be fair nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, as you said, there'd be no point of him getting an immaculate Jeep because he's a farmer at the end of the day and he wrecks everything he has and everything smells like cow shit. And I'm pretty sure we're probably after driving into cow shit or something, I don't know what we're in. But I don't know, I think that's enough for Jeeps from us for one day. We're after travelling the length and breadth of the country
just about made the flight, just about made the ferry, just about made it through customs, so
I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a different video that didn't involve anything got to do with cars this time. So we'll do more Jeep things on the channel, I suppose. Right, that's all from us. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. Good luck.